everyone, my name is Anisha Putri Ramawati. My study number are 2341257 from class accounting 23A. Today, I would like to discuss conceptual framework, one of the most important topic in accounting theory. The conceptual framework serves as a foundation of financial accounting and reporting. It provides a system of concept, principles, and guidelines that helps accountants, standard setters, and financial statement users understand how accounting information should be prepared and presented. A conceptual framework can be defined as a current system of objective and fundamental concepts that guide the development of accounting standard and the preparation of financial statement. It acts as a framework that ensures consistency, comparability, and logical reasoning in accounting practices. Without a conceptual framework, accounting standard might be developed inconsistently, leading to confusing and reduced reliability of financial information. The primary purpose of the conceptual framework is to provide guidance for standard setting bodies when developing accounting standards. It helps ensure that accounting standards are based on common principles rather than individual opinions. In addition, the framework assists accountants in resolving accounting issues when no specific standard exists for a particular transaction or event. One of the most important elements of the conceptual framework is the objective of financial reporting. The main objective is to provide financial information that is useful to existing and potential investors, leaders, and other creditors in making decisions about providing resources to an entity. This decision may include buying, selling, or holding investment, as well as providing loans of other forms of credit. Another key component is the qualitative characteristic of useful financial information. According to the conceptual framework, financial information should possess two fundamental qualitative characteristics: relevance and faithful representation. Relevance means the information is capable of influence the decision of users. Relevant information has predictive value, confirmatory value, or both. For example, information about a company profitability can help investors predict future performance and evaluate past expectations. Faithful representation means the financial information should accurately reflect the economic reality of transactions and events. Information must be complete, natural, and free from material errors, with characteristics ensure that the user can trust the information provided in the financial statement. In addition to the fundamental characteristics, there are four unchanging qualitative characteristics: comparability, verifiability, timelines, and understandability. Comparability allows users to identify similarities and differences between companies. Variability ensures that information can be confirmed by independent observers. Timelines mean information is available when needed for decision making. Understandability requires information to be presented clearly and concisely. The conceptual framework also defines the elements of financial statement. These elements include asset, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. An asset is resources controlled by the entity that is expected to generate future economic benefits. The liability is a present obligation rising from past event that is expected to result in an outflow of resources. Equity represent the residual interest in asset after reducing liabilities. Income increase equity through revenue and gains, while expenses decrease equity through costs and losses. Another important aspect of the conceptual framework is the recognizing and measuring of financial statement elements. Recognizing refers to the process of including an item in the financial statement when it meets the definition of an element and can be measured reliably. Measurement involves determining the monetary amount at which an asset, liability, income, or expense should be reported. The conceptual framework also emphasizes an importance of financial judgment. In many situations, accountants must make decisions regarding estimate, assumption, and accounting treatment. The framework provide guidance to ensure that the decisions are consistent with the objective of financial reporting and the qualitative characteristic of useful information. From accounting theory perspective, the conceptual framework contributes to the development of a logical and consistent accounting system. It predicates in consistency among accounting standards and provides a common reference point for addressing new accounting issues. Furthermore, it enhances in credibility and reliability of financial reporting by ensuring that accounting standards are developed systematically. The benefits of a conceptual framework are significant. It improves consistency in accounting practices, enhances comparability among financial statements, supports the development of new standards, and increases user confidence in financial information. It also helps educators, students, and researchers better understand the theoretical foundations of accounting. In conclusion, the concept framework is a structured system of objectives and principles that guides financial accounting and reporting. It establishes the objective of financial reporting, identifies the qualitative characteristic of useful information, defines the main element of financial statement, and provides guidance of recognition and measurement. As the foundation of accounting theory, the conceptual framework plays a crucial role in promoting consistency, transparency, and reliability and in financial reporting. So this is all I can say. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation help you understand the importance for the conceptual framework and its role is supporting high quality financial reporting. See you in the next video.